Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all well. This is an exciting video for me. This is a three-way collaboration. I am collaborating with the amazing Petra Gerbracht from Germany, who's in the Netherlands now. She's an incredible resin artist. I've only recently found her, like, where have I been? And she's incredible. Her work is stunning. If you have not checked her out, you absolutely must. We are collaborating. We are both doing resin flowers. She's already been doing them. I've never done one before, so I am so nervous. So please forgive my nerves pretty much throughout the whole video. I had to try and, rein it in a little bit. But this is not only a collaboration with the amazing Petra, this is a collaboration also with Moulds and Shapes. So Petra uses their molds as well as myself, and they have been incredibly generous and asked that they come on board and support us both in our collaboration. By doing this, they are running a giveaway on both of our channels, which I just think is incredible. They're actually giving away druzy stars. You would have seen them in my last video. So they are giving a winner from each of our channels. So they're gonna pick a winner at random next weekend from both of our channels, which means there's 2 winners, and you guys will each get a set of 4 druzy stars. If you did not see them in my last video, go check them out. I'll put the link here. But this is what they look like. They are incredible. If you did not see the results, go check out the results. Each winner will get a set of 4 of these and a larger one for like a plate mold or a tray mold. So yeah, it's so exciting. So thank you so much to Moulds and Shapes. I am going to link Petra's channel down below. I'm also going to link Moulds and Shapes. And don't forget, you do get that 5% discount using my code CCC5. So if you like what you see, then go ahead and check them out. Everything is going to be linked in the description box below. I also now have a USA Amazon affiliate link for everyone in the USA. A few people have been asking me for a while, but I finally have it there. So I'm going to stop talking, crack on with the video. Cannot wait to see what you've made, Petra. And to everyone else, take care. So the mould I'm using in this video is the one you would have seen in my previous video when I showed you what Moulds and Shapes sent me. It is the Geode tray, and it is gorgeous and deep. It's about 1 centimetre deep, nice and chunky. I am so nervous. I have got no Vista Cascade left. I'm out of resin. If this video does not work, you all need to just lower your expectations. That's all I'm saying. Lower your expectations, okay? Because I'm about to do this. I've got no second chances. I've got no more resin. This is it. Petra, I'm so sorry. I'm really loving it, really, truly. I love it. It's all good. I am using 3 colours. So the brief was to use any colours you want as long as blue features. We all know blue's my favourite colour, so I'm going with 2 blues. I'm cheating. I'm just going with 2 blues and a white. I would love some gold in there, but me and metallic, we just don't get on. So I'm using some white opaque from Resin 8. Well, they're all Resin 8. I'm using some turquoise opaque, and I'm using my brand new darkest indigo. I'm going to mix my resin. Then I'm going to stay here. I'm babysitting it. I'm not going to move. I'm going to watch it for 20 minutes, keep having a feel, see what it's like. Pour some in here, pour the remaining into the 3 cups, add the colours. Now, Petra's been using, and I've seen a few people use it, but I didn't quite understand the science. Petra's been using some pure alcohol drops, like 1 or 2 drops per colour, to stop the ink sinking immediately, allowing it to float some. So I'm going to use that as well. So a lot of firsts for me today, but I am excited. So I'm going to stop talking because my nerves, and mix the resin. Come back when the resin's in here, and then I've got the 3 cups with the resin in. So just to explain why I'm so nervous is because I did a test run last night and I absolutely messed it up. I left the resin too long and it went exothermic. Knowing I had very little resin left, this is why I'm so nervous filming this, because I knew this was my last chance saloon. If I mess this up, that is it. It's over. So yeah, that is why I was so nervous filming this, because I just couldn't afford to make any ridiculous mistakes, such as allowing my resin to go off. So what you see here is me mixing the 4 cups. This bottom right one here, that is Hemway Gold Glitter. I decided I wanted that punch of gold even though I don't really get on with gold pigment and gold mica, I thought gold glitter, if I allow it to go super thick like this, then I will get away with a gold centre, which is exactly what I did. And it worked a treat. There was a bit much here, so I did end up taking a little bit out. I just felt like it was a bit too much at this point. To get that resin, it took, I think it was about 45 minutes after I mixed those resin in those cups. This is 45 minutes later when I'm pouring it into the piping bag. So I'm just sitting that piping bag in my mug and pouring it in. And honestly, this is the mistake I made yesterday. So if you are here with me and you're learning with me, yesterday when I did a quick test run, I actually mixed the resin, put the resin straight into the piping bags immediately. And you can see in the background there, the blue one, it's standing upright, which meant the heat, it started to heat itself up because it was so deep. And that is why I lost the resin that I did yesterday, because it went exothermic. So in today, I've learned already, just overnight, I've learned not to do that again. So I've let the resin sit in the cups this time, making sure that I'm mixing them every 10 to 15 minutes. And this is about 45 minutes later that I'm transferring it into the piping bags. But even at this point, I'm not ready yet to create the flower. So what I do is I get all 3 piping bags. I don't leave them alone. I basically, like a paranoid dog mum, you know, when you first get a puppy or something, you're just not going to leave it alone. I lay them flat because I didn't want them to be deep and go exothermic and heat up too quickly. And then every 5-10 minutes or so, I would touch them, feel them to see how hot they're getting, just to make sure. So this is about 1 hour after I poured the clear and 1 hour after I mixed those colours in. And it's now time to create the flower. So here, I don't know why, because I don't think it created much of an effect. I dragged out the gold glitter using a lollipop stick, just thinking, let's see what I can do with that gold. And this is where I started to pipe. Now, I wish I did 6 petals there. I'm still not over it. Even watching the video back hurts my soul. But 5's okay. I went in, colour after colour, working my way out from the centre to the outside edge. And this is pretty much what I did with each colour. I wasn't aiming to touch the colour that went before. The videos I've watched, people leave quite big gaps. I really wasn't sure, to be honest, because this is my first time trying. So you're learning with me. If you're still here, congratulations. But yeah, at this point I got quite confident. I felt like I could handle the piping bag quite well. I felt like I'd cut the holes proper, like I didn't cut them too big. So yeah, my confidence was starting to grow at this point, and that is when I just decided, might as well go for it and just see what happens, throw it all in. And yeah, I'm going to stop talking and put some music on. Okay, this is the next day. First impressions, I really don't know what to expect. I see blobs. I definitely see blobs. But yeah, and I think the white might have all sank, but I'm posting regardless. So as it is my very first proper flower, hopefully you guys can learn with me and we'll learn the mistakes together. So let's go. Like I said at the beginning, lower your expectations. Are you ready? Let's go. Bang. Ooh. Oh, that is not so bad. Okay, I'm going to bring you in for a close-up. So this is a close-up of those petals. I don't dislike it. I'm really surprised. It's nowhere near as crisp and stunning as some of the resin flowers I've seen online. But wow, that is very, very cool. So I think the gold spread more than I would have wanted it to. But I am loving this. This is so much, guys. This is so much better than I was expecting it to. I'm trying to hold the camera steady for you guys, but yeah, I was fully expecting one big blobby mess, but you can definitely see, like here, defined layers between those petals. You know, I think because when you do your flowers, you start in the middle, you work your way out, and you would have seen me go back into the middle, so that is probably confused the order of nature. But I like the blue here. I'm glad I did dark blue in the middle, but you've definitely got some stunning blooms. That light blue, that turquoise, definitely blobby. I was expecting the white to be blobby, but the white has really behaved itself. Like here you can see the white has been quite good. Got some blobs around the edge there where I know I went in thick. But this section here and this section here, love. Right, to finish it off, I am going to put a gold edge. I've got this gold decor colour pen. Of course you can use any gold metallic pen, but I just thought this would look super nice with a gold edge. Well, I hope you have really loved my first resin flower, and I'm sorry about my nerves, but this is definitely something I need to learn more about and try more often to get the results really. But even still, I am so happy with the first results that I've ever achieved. So thank you so much if you've made it this far. You're amazing. And to Petra, thank you so much. I really cannot wait to see your results, and also to Moulds and Shapes for your amazingly generous gift to our subscribers to support our channels, and I really appreciate you, and I appreciate Petra too. So to everyone else who's watching, you're all amazing, and thank you so much. I hope you've loved it as much as me, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.